In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Dell laptop not connecting to Wi-Fi. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Wi-Fi issues on Dell laptops are often caused by software handshake failures between Windows 11 and newer Wi-Fi 7 drivers. So before diving into software, ensure the wireless radio hasn't been hardware disabled. So look at your F2 or your print screen key for a small antenna or tower icon. Press FN and then that key to toggle the wireless radio back on. And if your laptop doesn't even see any networks, the background service that listens for Wi-Fi may have crashed. So what you want to do is type in Windows and R, and then type in services.msc, and then go ahead and enter it, which is going to open up your services. Scroll down to the very bottom, and you're going to see WLAN auto config. So we just want to go over and find that. Once you go ahead and find it, you're going to see it like as one of the options, right? And once you go ahead and find it, right click it, and then you're going to see restart as one of the options. So all you want to do is restart it and see if that works as well. And then what you could also do is right click your Windows icon and then go over to device manager, expand network adapters and right click your wireless controller and then just select disable device. Wait about 5 seconds and then re-enable it again, and that should work as well. After that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.